Okay, everyone had noted this formula. Everyone had completed in the last session, or somebody had left. Those who are not completed, I will give you 2 minutes. Complete it fast. And those who had completed, you can refer your IS code. Okay, now it is visible. Okay. Okay, so those who are not completed, complete it fast within 2 minutes. And those who had completed, you can refer your IS code. Yes, done. Should we proceed further? Okay, I hope everyone had completed. Now, FCD is nothing but the design compressive strength, as I've already told you. Now, the formula to calculate FCD will be equals to Fy upon gamma m0 upon phi plus phi square minus lambda square raised to the power 0.5 should be less than or equals to Fy upon gamma. So gamma is nothing but the partial safety factor, as you already know. And here the formula to calculate phi calculate करने के लिए again आपके पास में formula है, that is 0.5 into 1 plus alpha in bracket lambda minus 0.2 plus lambda square. Again to calculate lambda, if the concentrically loaded, अगर आपका concentrically loaded section है तो slenderness ratio calculate करने के लिए you are having the formula that is under root of Fy upon FCC, or you can take this formula also, that is Fy into KL upon R square upon pi square E. Again here there is E, that is modulus of elasticity. Again these formulas are there in your IS 800 2007, so no need to learn these formulas. All formulas are there in your IS codes. So just note down the formula for the design compressive strength, that is FCD, and the phi. These all the basics you should know before starting the design for the compressive strength. You should know all these formulas and where the formulas are being situated in your IS codes. In DDSS, you don't have to learn any of the formulas. Very, very few formulas are there that you have to keep in your mind. Otherwise, all the formulas, 80 to 90% formulas are there in your IS codes. But the thing is that you should know where the formula is being situated in your IS code. So whenever you are going to solve the problems or whenever you are going to practice the problems for DDSS, do refer your IS codes. Unless and until you don't know where the formula is there in your code, you can't use that formula. Yes, that is, it should be less than Fy upon gamma mg. Sorry, gamma m. It should be less than Fy upon gamma m0. जो भी आप FCD की value calculate करोगे, it should be less than or equals to Fy upon gamma m0. Fy is nothing but your yield stress and gamma m0 is your partial safety factor.
Ma'am, what is that written if section is concentrically
Loaded. If the section is concentrically loaded, you have to use this formula to calculate the slenderness ratio. Okay. In question, they will mention you whether the section is semi-compact, whether it is concentrically loaded, whatever the section is there, they will mention you in the question. Okay, completed. Should I proceed further?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the formula to calculate FCC. The formula to calculate FCC is pi square E upon KL upon R square. So here FCC is nothing but the Euler's buckling stress. Euler's buckling stress is denoted by FCC and alpha. Alpha over here, alpha is nothing but the imperfection factor. Again, the value for the alpha, that is imperfection factor, you have to take from the table number 7 on the पेज नंबर 35 एंड 44. अल्फा की वैल्यू आपको दो जगह से लेनी है, एक तो फ्रॉम द पेज नंबर 35 एंड फ्रॉम द पेज नंबर 44 ऑफ योर IS 800 2007. देन अगेन जीटा, ये जो सिंबल है इसे क्या बोलते हैं, जीटा. जीटा इज नथिंग बट द स्ट्रेस रिडक्शन फैक्टर. The stress reduction factor is again on the table number 8 of your IS code. And stress reduction factor के लिए again आपके पास में formula है, that is 1 upon phi plus phi square minus lambda square raised to the power 0.5. So just note down the formulas for this Euler buckling stress and the stress reduction factor. And see, this is the new symbol for you. I think up till now you have not used this symbol. So ये symbol को क्या बोलते हैं? जीटा. So just note down these formulas. All the formulas are there in your IS codes.
Done.
Okay. All the others had also done? Yes, what about others? All the others had also completed. So now
Yes, ma'am.
FCD. Oh yeah. FCD again, the next formula to calculate FCD is zeta into Fy upon gamma M0. So the formula to calculate FCD is zeta into Fy upon gamma M0. Fy already you know. What does Fy mean? And gamma M0 is nothing but the partial safety factor. And for the second case, if suppose in case of single angle, double angle acting on a stress, acting as strut. अगर आपका जो सिंगल एंगल और डबल एंगल है वो एज अ स्ट्रट बिहेव कर रहा है. स्ट्रट इज नथिंग बट वन ऑफ द मेंबर ऑफ द रूफ ट्रस. स्ट्रट इज वन ऑफ द मेंबर ऑफ द रूफ ट्रस जो कॉम्प्रेशन में रहता है. दैट फॉलोज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम कॉम्प्रेसिव स्ट्रेंथ. सो if your single angle and the double angle acting as a strut, you have to consider the following conditions. मतलब ये तीनों चारों conditions you need to refer. That is B, मतलब ये तीनों चारों जो conditions है, you should satisfy all these conditions. If suppose this particular case is being there, that is B by T should be less than or equals to 15.7 epsilon. Always epsilon is will be 1 because epsilon के लिए आपके पास में formula क्या है? The formula to calculate epsilon is under root of 250 by Fy, and Fy is your yield stress, and for yield stress you are going to take the value as 250. तो इसीलिए आपकी एप्सिलॉन की वैल्यू कितनी होगी 1. तो दूसरी कंडीशन क्या है d by t. d by t should always be less than or equals to 15.7 epsilon. And the third condition is b plus d by t should be less than or equals to 25 epsilon. Again, it is there on the page number 18 of your IS 800, IS 800 2007. So अगर ये पर्टिकुलर केस आती है तो क्या होगा? आपकी जो तीनों कंडीशंस है, ये तीन कंडीशंस, you should satisfy all these three conditions. Okay, so note down these formulas. And if any doubts, you can ask. I hope everyone understood up till here. Yes, completed. Okay, everyone are done up till here. Should we proceed further? Yes, Abdullah, Dharam, had you completed? हो गया यहाँ तक के सबका? Okay, okay. Now see, अगर इस टाइप का डायग्राम रहा, मतलब अगर आपका ट्रस अगर बीच में है, सॉरी, गसेट प्लेट इज देयर इन द सेंटर and the two angles are connected to each other in this way. This is of the type of the concentric loading. And if suppose this particular diagram is there, means if the angles are like this and gusset plate is like this, then it is the load through the one leg. So accordingly you have to refer your formulas just now you had written. So just draw this diagram, this particular diagram. This is of the type of the concentric loading and this is of the type of the load through one leg. Okay, done. Should we proceed further? Everyone had completed up till here. Yes, completed. Do slightly fast.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Done.
Yeah. So this is the concentric loading. अगर ऐसी आपकी कोई एक प्लेट है एंड उसके अंदर कोई गसेट प्लेट एंड द एंगल सेक्शन इज देयर, so this is of the type of the concentric loading, and again this is of the load through one leg. So in case of the concentric loading we can take the value of the FCD directly from the table. अगर concentric loading रहा तो you can take the values for FCD directly from the table given on the page number 40 to 43 of your IS code 800/2007. So just note down this concentric loading. एंड सपोज ये केस रहा, मतलब लोड थ्रू वन लेग रहा, तो अगर और कॉन्सेंट्रिक लोडिंग अगर रहा तो यू कैन टेक द वैल्यूज डायरेक्ट ऑफ एफसीडी. एफसीडी इज नथिंग बट द डिजाइन कॉम्प्रेसिव स्ट्रेंथ. सो डिजाइन कॉम्प्रेसिव स्ट्रेंथ की वैल्यूज आप डायरेक्टली आईएस कोड से ले सकते हो. So just draw this diagram for the third type and note down that it is a concentric loading. So here we had completed all the formulas for the compressive strength, how to calculate the compressive strength, that is the compression member. Now we shall proceeding for the problems. Before that, if anyone is having any of the doubts or you had not got the formulas in your IS codes, you can ask. Okay, completed. Should we proceed with the sums? Everyone had done up till here? Yes, completed or not? Yes or no? Yes, mass हो गया. Yes, mass, Anis, had you completed up till here? Should we start with the sums? Josh? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Okay, fine. So we'll start with the sums. So here, as you can see over here, in this particular sum, they had mentioned you the ISA, that is the Indian Standard Angle of the size 150 by 115 by 12 mm is connected to 12 mm gusset plate as shown in figure. So use M18 bolts of grade 4.6. So that mentioned in the question that the angle section is of the size 150 by 115 by 12 mm is connected to 12 mm gusset plate. Gusset plate की thickness कितनी है? 12 mm and is of the grade M18. जो bolts का grade use किया है that is M18 and the grade is 4.6. You have to determine the section capacity of the section in compression. मतलब आपको क्या calculate करना है? You need to calculate the compressive strength. So as you can see, the angle section is of the size 150 by 115 by 12 mm. Gusset plate is having the thickness of 12 mm. जो आपने bolts use किए हैं that is having the diameter of 18 and the grade of the bolt is 4.6 and this end distance and edge distance is here 40. ये जो 40 है that is nothing but the end and the edge distance और ये जो 60 and 60 है this is your what? क्या है ये 60? Yes, anyone from you? What is this 60? Which distance is this 60? ये बोल्ट से लेके ये बोल्ट का जो डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है 60, what is that?
Pitch distance.
Yes, exactly correct. So it is pitch distance, that is center of this bolt to center of this bolt, that is pitch. So just note down the question and draw the diagram. After completing, let me know so that we can proceed further. Yes, done. Should we proceed further? Everyone had completed up till here? Should we proceed with the solution? Okay. So we'll proceed with the solution now. I hope everyone had completed up till here. So we can assume the length of member as 2.5 meter and it is hinge condition. So we have to assume it as the condition as hinge, and we are assuming the length of member as 2.5 meter. So first of all we have to check the width to thickness ratio. So width to thickness ratio check करने के लिए आपके पास में 3 formulas है. Just now you have to noted down all the 3 formulas. ये आप जो कंडीशन यूज कर रहे हो वो कौन सी कंडीशन यूज कर रहे हो, मतलब सिंगल एंगल डबल एंगल सेक्शन है that will acting as a strut. उसको in we can also say this condition as hinge condition. So you have to use all that formulas for that is for the case 2 जो आपने लिखा है इसके पहले. If the single angle and the double angle will acting as a strut. अगर आपका जो सिंगल एंगल और डबल एंगल है वो एज अ स्ट्रट बिहेव कर रहा है तो यू हैव टू यूज दिस कंडीशन एज दे आर नॉट मेंशन इन द क्वेश्चन कि कौन सा कंडीशन का सम है. So we are going to assume that condition only. So first condition is your B by T. Now what is B over here? जो आपका angle section है that is of the size. कितने size का angle section is given to you in the question? Yes. Anyone from you? Angle section का size क्या है? Indian standard angle. That is of the size 150 by 115 by 12 mm. That is D, B and T. तो उसका D कितना है 150, B कितना है 115 और T डेप्थ कितना है 150 that is D, width is 115 that is B and 12 is nothing but the thickness. तो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट कंडीशन आपकी क्या है B by T. So B कितना है 115 and T is your thickness. थिकनेस कितनी दी है उन्होंने 12 mm. So 115 by 12 that is 9.58 should be less than or equals to 15.7 epsilon. Now the value for the epsilon, the formula to calculate epsilon क्या है? Under root of 250 by F1. So the yield stress again we are going to assume it as 250. Yes, who's this? So 250 की value, so epsilon की value हमें मिलती है 1. That is 250 by 250, it will be 1. So just substitute the value of epsilon in the given formula. So here you are going to satisfy this condition. Again D by T, that is depth upon thickness. So depth कितनी है आपकी angle section की? It is 150. Thickness is 12. So the value comes up to be 12.5. Again it is less than 15.7. Then the next is B plus D by T. So you are going to satisfy all these conditions that should be less than 25 epsilon. So इसकी आपको value मिलती है 22.08. It is less than 25. So you are going to satisfy all these 3 conditions. So note down up till here and after this solve up till here. Then we shall proceed further, and if any queries in this you can ask. If you are having any of the doubts you can ask. Here you are satisfying all the conditions. So your member is here semi-compact. As you are going to satisfy all the conditions, so your member is semi-compact over here.
Then how you got the value of F5 250?
F5 we are going to assume that is yield stress. Yield stress हम हमेशा कितना लेते हैं? Tension member भी जब calculate किया था. There also हमने value of F5 we had considered it as 250 and here also we are going to consider the value of F5 as 250 only.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So bracket में लिख लो assume value of F5 that is yield stress as 250. You completed up till here. Everyone had done up till here. Should we proceed further? Everyone had completed. Is done. Okay.